Welcome back, everyone. Today, we will solve yet another problem from topic graphing approaches to inequalities by drawing the correct boundary line, deciding between a solid or dashed line, and shading the appropriate region that represents all possible solutions. So let's begin. Also, as we proceed, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So the given problem today is shade the region which satisfies the inequality x plus 2y less than 10. Now, the line x plus 2y is equal to 10 will form the boundary of the region, but will not be itself included in the region as the sign of inequality is less than and there is no is equal to sign in the given inequality. So a dashed line will be drawn to show this. Now let's rearrange this equation. So rearranging, we get 2y is equal to 10 minus x. So this follows y is equal to 10 minus x divided by 2. So the whole thing divided by 2. Now let's find the 3 coordinate points, minimum 3 coordinate points, which will satisfy this equation. So let's begin. Now when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 10 minus 0 divided by 2, which is 10 by 2, which is 5. So the coordinates are 0 and 5. Now next, when x is equal to 4, then the value of y will be 10 minus 4 divided by 2. 10 minus 4 is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So the coordinate points are 4 and 3. Next, when x is equal to 6, then the value of y will be 10 minus 6 divided by 2. Now 10 minus 6 is 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. Hence, the third coordinate points will be 6 and 2. Now we have the 3 coordinate points. Now let's draw a straight line passing through these points. Remember, it will be a dashed line since there is no is equal to sign in the given inequality. Now let's find out the given coordinate points. So the first point is 0 and 5. So 0 and 5 will be here. Next, 4 and 3. So 4 and 3. And next 6 and 2. So 6 and 2. So we will draw a dashed line passing through it. Okay. Now remember, this is just a rough sketch I have drawn. This is not a perfect dashed straight line. Okay, but we will still continue to solve this. So this dashed line represents x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now let's begin finding out the appropriate region. Okay, so we will select a point on either side of the line. Okay, on either side of this line. So let's select, suppose 3 and 2. Now let's select this point 3 and 2. Now let's find out by substituting 3 and 2 in the given inequality. So in the given inequality, we know that x plus 2y is less than 10. Now we substitute the values. So this follows 3 plus 2 multiplied by the value of y is 2 is less than 10. Now let's check whether this is true or not. So this follows 3 plus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 is less than 10. So this follows 3 plus 4 is 7 is less than 10, and this is true. Yes, we know that 7 is less than 10. So all points on this side of the inequality, this region, will satisfy the given inequality. So all points on this side of the line, okay, on this part of the line will satisfy the given inequality. So this side of the line will have to be shaded. The entire region will have to be shaded, which represents all possible solutions to the given inequality. So we shade it like this. Okay. Now we had to represent this graph, this solution graphically. Okay, so it is done. So that's it for today's lesson on graphing inequalities. Keep practicing different numericals and examples to build more confidence, and soon you will master this essential algebra skill. See you in the next lesson video with yet another interesting topic. Best wishes and happy learning!